Hello guys, welcome back. So today's video is on makeup. So this is my face after I'd prepared it for makeup, and this is the look after, and I really love that look. I'm trying to learn how to do my makeup in a professional way, or in other ones adding things here and there that I've not been doing before. So subscribe and let's do our makeup together. So the first thing that I do is to apply my foundation all over the face. So I'm using matte foundation. So I use a beauty sponge to apply everywhere. So I'm just going to fast forward this video because it's gonna be a very long one. So we apply the foundation. Remember guys, I've already moisturized my face. I've applied even sunscreen before this, and now my face is ready for any other product. Then after that, I'm going to use a concealer. So I apply it there and at the corner edge of the eyes. I apply just a small amount. So that is concealer that I'm applying. Then for smudging the nose, we apply there, and then after that we blend. We use that beauty sponge to blend. This beauty sponge, I've dipped it in water then squeezed. So I'm not going to use so many products. I'm just going to use concealer and foundation and my powder. Then after that we do the eyebrows. Guys, I've done a whole video on how you can be able to draw your own eyebrows. So if you have not checked it, please go and check it in my channel, and go learn how to do your own eyebrows if you're having any problems. And also remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's free, it doesn't cost you anything, so please make sure that you subscribe, and if you like this content, give it a thumbs up. Then the next thing is to clean up the eyebrows using concealer like that. Remember, we use the tip of the small brush for the eyebrows. Use the tip to clean up, and as many times as you draw the eyebrows and you clean up using concealers, the more you do it, the more you become perfect. So don't just saying that you don't know how to do it. The more you do it, the more you become perfect. So just try. The first time you might mess up, the second time it will be better than the first time, and like that you're going to learn. At the same time, watch as many videos as you can on how to draw your own eyebrows, and as you watch, please make sure that you practice. Make use of the knowledge that you have learned. Then after that, I braid the concealer aloud that I've used to clean up the eyebrows, just to braid and to ensure that it's sitting well with the other products. Guys, it's already coming up, so there I've applied powder that is darker than my skin, just to kind of contour. Then I use the brighter powder to apply to that area under my eyes, like that. The look is already coming up together. Then I use my blush, and now then we blush. I've used eyeshadow for that. So I'm smiling because I can see the look already working, and I'm loving it. Then after that, I apply my mascara. Just slowly, make sure that you don't mess up the whole face using mascara. Then after that, I use powder and lightly I apply it all over my face. And finally, guys, the look is already coming out so well. Then I'm using my eye pencil to act as an eyeliner. So make sure that you don't harm your eyes. Oh wow, can you see that? It has changed the whole look. So what I'm doing is I'm just dipping that eye pencil then we apply our lipstick. So we outline the lips like that. Wow. Then I apply my lip gloss. This lip gloss has kind of like a pink color. Then after that, I apply just like a small lipstick there, and then I'm like that. And I hold my hair up just to know if the makeup is looking good. Yeah, so guys, wow, can you see that? I love it. I love it. And I'm so happy this far I've come. Like if I insert a picture here of how I used to draw my eyebrows, and now I'm going to look for a photo and insert it here. Please make sure that you don't laugh. So guys, if you have not subscribed, please make sure that you subscribe. It's free. Comment, let me know what do you think of my makeup skills. Bye bye.